دیکھنے والوں کا ایمان چلا جاتا ہے مست نظروں سے اللہ بچائے مست نظروں سے اللہ بچائے جمالوں سے اللہ بچائے نظروں سے اللہ بچائے جمالوں سے اللہ بچائے مست نظروں سے اللہ بچائے جمالوں سے اللہ بچائے
لندن کے مقامی ہوٹل میں فلسطین کے لیے فنڈ ریزنگ کے حوالے سے تقریب کا انعقاد کیا گیا جس میں کثیر تعداد میں لوگوں نے شرکت کی. قوال چاند علی خان گروپ نے قوالی سنا کر حاضرین سے خوب داد وصول کی. مخیر حضرات نے دل کھول کر فلسطین کے مظلوم مسلمانوں کے لیے امداد کا شرکا کا تقریب کا کہنا تھا کہ ہمیں
Hi, I just want to say thank you to everyone for tonight's show. Alhamdulillah, it was a success. And yes, we can bring more community events, inshallah, to life. Charity, Qawali, coming together. But thank you everyone for coming tonight.
فلسطین کے مظلوم مسلمانوں کو بھولنا نہیں چاہیے. جتنا ہو سکے بھرپور امداد کرنی چاہیے.
It's Khan from Z89 TV, and we have a really, really famous producer who has made his first film in UK and successfully actually featured the film. And let's hear today, you're here for Gaza Qawali event in Royal Nawab. How did you feel here, being here, looking at how Isma has worked really, really hard to put the whole event together? What are your thoughts about tonight?
I think that, the way they put the event together is fantastic. It's very professional. It's so good how they got the whole community together on all different areas, having a lovely fashion show, having the doctor to come and speak, having a comedian, having the Qawali, great host, Noreen was up there. But the main thing was that what the aim behind it was for Gaza. So to get everyone together, make it more spiritual, make everyone happy in a way, but not to forget what's really going on. And of course, having it at Nawab restaurant was also good because the food is great.
Well, thank you very, very much. You have heard, you know what, I really appreciate because you actually have pointed it out that this event was actually there for a purpose and purpose was met, and that's what it was about. Thank you. Thank you for your presence and thank you for your kind words.
Thank you very much for your words.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, it's Jia Khan from Z89 TV. We have Chand here. Chand has again in Royal Nawab with his Qawali, mashallah, has taken over the whole, not only Royal Nawab's audience heart, but also, you know what, all the audience, they were loving your Qawali. I really, really congratulate you tonight coming in here, and within 20 minutes, you actually taken over the whole show. What would you like to say?
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk about this. I would like to congratulate the whole team for organizing such an amazing event for such a great cause. We have contributed from our side as well. It was a really amazing concert. We have tried our best to, entertain the people with amazing Qawwalis from Ustad Nusrat Ali Khan Sahab. This is the culture of Pakistan we are representing in the UK and in the whole world as well. And this is a message of peace. This is a message of peace we are spreading everywhere. The message of Sufis, the message of Awliya Allah. And mashallah, it was a great fundraising as well today for Gaza. And our prayers are for the Muslims which are in difficulty in the whole world. May Allah Pak keep us all safe with the best of Iman. Thank you so much.
But just last thing, you were actually announcing your another show.
Yes.
So where will audience will book the ticket? Will you announce the date for your next show, please?
Yes. So we are doing a UK Qawali tour. It's called Soul and Qawali. So it will be me, Chand, Ali Khan, my whole band, and the Leo twins. So we are doing a UK Qawali tour. It will be 1st of February. We are performing at the Birmingham Town Hall. On the 8th of February, we are performing in the Hackney Theatre, which is in London, East London. And then on the 22nd of February, we are performing in Manchester, which is Royal Northern College of Music and Arts. So that will be a 3 hours long Qawali concert. And we would love to see everyone there, all Qawali lovers, inshallah. Please grab your tickets from www.qawaliworld.com.
Right, guys, you heard that 8th of February, Chand is going to be doing the solo performance. We're going to see you all in the Hackney Theatre in East London. Thank you very much, Chand, for taking the time out. Thank